Dr. K. Lakshman, concern over the sale of 400 acre of land belonging to Hyderabad University.
Thank you, Vice Chairman, sir, for allowing me to speak on this most important, sensitive and concern of this Telangana people today. The Congress government in Telangana has decided to auction 400 acres of land claimed by University of Hyderabad, a prestigious central university. The University of Hyderabad established in 1974 and allotted 2,300 acres, but till now there is no demarcation took place. The move not only undermining the rights of central institution but also raises serious questions about environmental and conservation and governance. This land put to auction includes ecologically sensitive areas such as the Mushroom Rock and other biodiversity-rich zones near University's East Campus. Sir, unfortunately, on the most prestigious this campus, on festival day, in midnight, this government had made to see that bulldozers with heavy police bandobast, they have ravaged the forests, lakes, habitats, and they have now the entire student community is in unrest in the campuses. The Congress government claims sustainable development, but how can destroying Hyderabad's green lungs and education institutions be sustainable? बार-बार जो कांग्रेस ने कहती कि मोहब्बत की दुकान, the students are now almost declared war. The university has declared war on the students. They are put to suppression, sir. The future of students is at stake. Is this how democracy functions under Congress rule? Even today, our BJP MLAs tried to visit that disputed place. They have been house arrested since early morning, sir. Yes. Please, sir, till now, there's no demarcation took place, sir. And it's a purely environmental, sensitive and biodiversity land, sir. So I urge the House to take cognizance of this issue. The auction must be stopped immediately and the ownership is clearly established and environmental concerns are addressed. Let us not allow Hyderabad's heritage and greenery to be bulldozed for short-term gains. For the sake of your Revdi's announcements, you are unable to now fulfill the promises. Now you are putting to auction all the governments in Telangana. This is how now in Telangana, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar संविधान नहीं लागू हो रहा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ त्रिपुल आर का राहुल गांधी रेवंत रेड्डी का संविधान चल रहा है, यही जबरदस्ती से चल रहा है सर। थैंक यू।